Hi everyone, this is Peter from Peter Tech. Today I would like to introduce you to AWS Schema Conversion Tools, or basically it can be called like Database Schema Conversion Tool. What do we use it for? For example, if we want to migrate local database to AWS, or doesn't have to be local, the source can be database inside AWS as well. But for my case, I have a local database on site and now we plan to migrate to AWS. At the same time, we think about using the RDS to save the managerial efforts. As you may know, if you migrate it to IaaS, basically you still host your database server on EC2, something like that. But if you want to reduce the managerial efforts, you may consider migrate to RDS. Again, you may migrate and using the homogeneous. Basically, you can migrate from SQL Server to SQL Server on the RDS if you choose to go that way. But if you want to save some cost, maybe 4 to 5 times cheaper, you may want to convert from Microsoft SQL Server to MySQL RDS, which gonna save you some money. Here you can check for the RDS pricing, or you can use the calculator and you can see the number that SQL Server may be like 5 times more than the MySQL. Let's see standard multi-AC, okay, for example. Standard multi-AC here, US West Oregon. Let's pick one. M5 extra large 2.448 on demand, okay. Now let's see MySQL. Now let's see MySQL, okay, this is MySQL on demand as well. The RDS, just now it's M5 extra large, right? M5 extra large 0.7. Now let's see again. D5 M2 extra large. You see it's like 3 times more. Okay, this is maybe one of the reasons why you want to convert the schema from one to another, which is depend on which one you choose to and whether or not it will be compatible with your application. And okay, then for the RDS tool, you can just download it onto your local computer and run the report against your potential database, and then you can study and plan for the migration and see if it's gonna be complex or it will be simple, or how complex or how simple it's gonna be. This video is gonna be just introduction for the tool that you may use and why you may want to convert do the schema conversion. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.